Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find the solutions to the pie chart questions. In pie chart, we have following questions. Number 1, find fraction. Number 2, find the value of each fraction. Now, in question number 1, it says, what fraction of the students choose elephant? So if we have to find out the fraction of students choose elephant or fraction of anything. In the pie chart, we need to calculate, we have to use the formula which is theta over 360 degree. Now, from the pie chart, we will see what value of angle they have given us for choosing the elephant. So that's 60 degree. So we'll put it here 60 degree over 360 degree. If you will simplify it, you will get it equals to 1 over 6. Similarly, if I have to find out the fraction of the students choose tiger, so we have to look for the angle which is made here for the tigers. So it is 36 degree. So that means we'll use the same formula theta over 360 degree. Now the value of theta here is 36 degree. We'll put it here. Then divided by 360 degree, and when you will simplify it, you will get it equals to 1 over 10. Now, if we have to find out the value, because now we have to find out the value. Like for example, in part F, it says how many students choose elephant. Now we have to find out the value of the students who choose elephant. So if I have to find out the number of students, now what formula we will use here? Number of students choose elephant is equals to. Now we have to use the fraction which we have calculated, that means theta over 360 degree into total number of students. So whenever we have to calculate the value, we have to use the formula theta over 360 degree into total value. So here, if you will see in the beginning, it's written 90 students. That means the value for the total number of students is 90. And the fraction we already calculated, that how many students choose elephant, that is 1 over 6. Now, if we will simplify it, we will get it equals to 15. Similarly, if I have to find out how many students choose tiger, so we will use the same formula. Number of students choose tiger is equals to, now the fraction we already know, into 90, which is equals to 9. Now in this question, the question says the pie chart shows information about the visitors to restaurants in a town. 375 people had fish and chips. How many people had pizza? So we cannot calculate how many people had pizza till we don't have the total number and we don't know what is the total number equals to. But in this case, they have given us the total number of people who like fish and chips. So what we will do, we will use that here to calculate what is the total number of people. We will write down here theta over 360 degree into total visitors is equals to 375. So we are using it for fish and chips. And for fish and chips, the value for theta is given 125 degree. So we'll put it here 125 degree over 360 degree into total visitors is equals to 375. So first we will solve this part. And once we will get this, then we are able to calculate how many total visitors are there. So what we have to do here, we'll write down total visitors is equals to 375 into, now this 360 will go here, this 125 will come here. So 360 degree over 125 degree. Now once you will solve all this, you will get it equals to 1080. So that is the total number of visitors. Now we have to find out how many people had pizza. We have to calculate the angle for that. So if you will see, this is a full circle and one part of the circle is missing, whose angle we don't know. So what we have to do, we have to add all these angles and then we have to subtract it from 360 degree. So first we will find out here angle for pizza, which is equals to 360 degree minus 75 degree plus 25 degree plus 125 degree plus 70 degree. So that would be equals to 360 degree minus 295 degree, which is equals to 65 degree. Now, once we will calculate that, now we can calculate how many people had pizza. So we'll write on here number of people had pizza is equals to theta over 360 degree into total number of visitors, which is 1080, which is equals to 65 degree over 360 degree into 1080. When you will solve it, you will get your answer equals to 195. So that number of people had pizza if this pie chart we have to follow.